Cherry wood. American cherry, also known by its botanical name Prunus serotina, is a hardwood species with a fine, straight, close grain and a smooth texture. It has a rich satiny feel and can display dark wavy streaks. The heartwood of cherry ranges in color from red-brown to either deep red or a lighter red-brown, and may have brown or darker flecks. The sapwood is white or cream to reddish-brown and sometimes to a creamy pink. When quarter-sawn, the wood shows a beautiful figure. Also called black cherry, choke cherry, cabinet cherry, Edwards plateau cherry, wild black cherry, wild cherry, rum cherry, whiskey cherry, and New England mahogany. Cherry wood is classified as a hardwood. It predominantly originates from North America. The trees typically reach heights of 50 to 100 feet, with trunk diameters ranging from 3 to 5 feet. When it comes to properties, cherry wood offers medium strength and resistance to shock loads. It has low stiffness but exhibits good bending properties. Additionally, it steam bends quite well. The color and appearance of cherry wood are quite distinctive. The heartwood starts as a light pinkish brown when freshly cut, gradually darkening to a medium reddish brown over time and with exposure to light. The wide sapwood is a pale yellowish color. It's not uncommon to find boards that contain at least some portions of sapwood along the outer edges. The grain is usually straight, with the exception of figured pieces with curly grain patterns. It has a fine, even texture with moderate natural luster. Black cherry is known as being one of the best all-around woods for workability. It is stable, straight-grained, and machines well. The only difficulties typically arise if the wood is being stained, as it can sometimes give blotchy results. Using a sanding sealer prior to staining, or using a gel-based stain is recommended. Sapwood is common, and may contribute to a high wastage factor. Common uses. American cherry is a highly attractive timber used in furniture, interior millwork, flooring, doors, joinery, cabinetry, moldings, turned objects, and veneered panels. It is also an excellent timber for use in the construction of musical instruments due to its color and smooth finish. Furniture making, cabinet making, quality joinery, turnery, carving, musical instruments. Pricing and availability. Lumber and veneer are in adequate supply. Along with black walnut, black cherry is considered a premier American cabinet hardwood, and prices are in the mid to upper range for a domestic hardwood. Comments. Black cherry develops a rich reddish-brown patina as it ages that's frequently imitated with wood stains on other hardwoods such as yellow poplar. This aging process can be accelerated by exposing the wood in a judicious manner to direct sunlight. Not to be confused with sweet cherry, a tree native to Europe and Asia that's the primary source of edible cherries. While the fruit of black cherry is technically edible, the tree is utilized much more for its lumber, while Prunus avium provides the iconic and ubiquitous fruit. Thanks for watching.